The first gallery in the Earth, Water, Light exhibition is Earth. All of the artworks in this gallery are about Earth, land, soil, dirt, the ground on which we stand, the ground out of which our food comes. It's a great way to look at the different landscapes that we have in our collection. There are some very specific ones to Iowa and some very famous artists such as Grant Wood that will be on view in here. Also photographers like our friend Stuart Clipper from up in Minnesota. Each of the artists and the artworks in the gallery focus on what types of land there is and the importance of land to our food and where we live. One of the important parts about land is that it's a place where things are buried. For example, seeds are buried in the ground so that they can grow up and make our food. When we die, the ground is a place where we're laid to rest for eternity. In some cases, our bodies decompose and become the soil that encourages more growth. All of the pieces on this wall, including Frank SAPOUSEK's The Inhibited and Robert Gillespie's They Never Came Home, deal with that idea of the ground being a place where the dead live forever. In Robert's photographs, we see a military graveyard where a single cross is multiplied hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of times. There are also stars of David for those soldiers who were Jewish as well too. What the photograph shows is not just the enormity of the amount of people who have died, but also reminds us that of their service to the United States because of their uniform shapes. The Inhibited shows a much different sort of burial ground. If you look at the space here, it looks like it's a desert, a lot more rocky, much less manicured than Robert's photograph over there. And the cemetery and the burial structures seem a lot less broken up, a lot less maintained, a lot less care perhaps given to these. But nonetheless, we see how important it is for a place to mark and remember the people who have passed away.